So, in this video, what we're going to be looking at is taking the data from one sheet and putting it into another. And I'm going to be using the function XLOOKUP for this, because XLOOKUP is the more modern function that replaces the lookup. It's a lot easier to use. You don't have to think about it in such a complex way. So let's look at our two sheets. We have sheet 1 here that has task start and end dates. So it's really sort of from a project plan, and it relates to each of the plan numbers, and they are repeated. In sheet 2, we have a unique list of the plan numbers and which projects those plan numbers relate to and who the plan manager is. So if we go back to sheet 1, what we want to do is we want to check the plan number in here and put the corresponding project number in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use XLOOKUP. Now, with functions, if you don't use a function regularly, I 100% recommend you press the FX on the formula bar, because then that will help you build up the syntax and saves you having to worry about where the brackets go, the commas go, and everything like that. So you're more likely to get the formula correct first time round. So I'm going to go into XLOOKUP. So I selected that one. And you can see in here, it gives you bold values and non-bold. So in here, these must be completed and these are optional. In addition, you have help, Microsoft's help, that you can go to if you want more information. So what am I looking up? I am looking up the plan number. And all the time you are putting a formula together, you need to consider, if I pull this formula down, do I need that to be moving to A3, A4? Yes. So I leave it like that. I'm looking up that plan number. Where am I looking that up? So if we go into our lookup area, we are looking it up in this area. Now, one of the benefits of the lookup is it doesn't matter how this is laid out on my other sheet. So I'm going to fix that with F4. And what do I want it to return? And the reason I'm going to fix it is, as I drag my formula down, I need to fix that range. And I'm going to fix it to my project numbers, F4 again. Now we have these additional 2 useful options in here. What do you want to say if it's not found? So I'm simply going to do that. And you'll notice that because it's text, it puts it in quotations. And what is the match mode? That is the order that it is finding it. And you can look this up in the help. And if I double click that, it will copy it down and we can find the ones that are not found. That is one way to approach this solution. Contact us to